Hey, my name is Jonathan. I've been working on this thing called AppsScriptIO based off of PyWebIO. And the reason it's based off of that is because PyWebIO has created a server client connection that does synchronous execution. What that all means is the things that happen on the server on the back end happen one at a time. And it is really powerful ideology. And I have to show you just so you see how awesome it is. First thing is, let's say I want to capture an input, right? I want to get some input off the screen. I have this sheet over here that is name, email, and school. I just want to put something in there. So I'm going to say var name equals io, that's the library dot input. And like there's a bunch of pre-built components added onto this, and input is one of them, and it just gives you the text input. I'm going to say, what is your name? And I'm going to say dot display. And what that does is that will ask the question, what is your name, and display it on screen. Now I'm going to put two more, and then I'm going to change one to email and then one to school. And so now school, all that. And then let's get the spreadsheet early on. Get active, get sheet by name, sheet one, append row. And we're going to append the row, and it's going to be name, email, and then school. We want to do all this. Like normally, this looks like so simple, almost like a console application. It's 4 lines of code. Can we actually capture this data and get it on screen? So we'll see. So let's go to deploy, test deployments, get on the web app, and it's like, what is your name? I'm gonna say Jonathan. Then what is your email? Fake email at email.com. And then I'm gonna say school Hogwarts. Submit that data in, and boom, right on the sheet. That simple. That